Today's bracelet, we will make this crystal beaded bracelet. So let's start. So for today's bracelet, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 materials. Emerald crystal beads. So this is a roundel beads, and this is a 4mm. We have also Miyuki 11O Ivory Seed Beads, Clasp jump ring, 0.20mm of beading nylon thread, and beading needle. So let's start. So I cut the thread for 150cm, and the first is I will pick 4 11/0 and 1 roundel beads. So I will pull it down. So I'll pull it. So I will pass the needle once again to these beads. Pass the needle to roundel beads. And I will pick 4 11/0. So we're exiting here on the upper side of our thread. Now we'll pass the needle from the opposite side of our working thread. Like this. So I'll pass the needle here to these two. And I pick 1 seed bead, pass the needle here to these two, and I will pick 3 11/0. Pass the needle to these 2 seed beads, and pick 1 11/0. And pick 3 seed beads. Pass the needle to these 3 seed beads. Like this. So it will be like this. Okay, and the next is we are exiting from here. We are going to make the next unit. So I will pick 2 11/0, 1 roundel, and 2 11/0. So we are exiting from here, and I will pass the needle from this side. So it will be like this. So we're exiting from here to this 11/0, and I will pass the needle here. And pass the needle to the roundel beads. It will be like this. So I will pick 4 11/0, and we are exiting from here, and I will pass the needle from the opposite side of our working thread. It will be like this. So like this. So I will pass the needle to these 2 seed beads. I will pick 11-0, 111-0, and I will pass the needle to these 2 seed beads. Three 11-0, pass the needle here, and pass the needle to these 2 seed beads. And pick 3 seed beads and pass the needle to these 3 seed beads, like this. So the next is I will pick, oh, what's wrong with my anyway, we will continue. So we are exiting from here, and I will pass the needle to this 4 seed beads. Like this. And I will pick 1 11-0, 1 roundel, and 1 11-0, and 1 11-0, like this. So I will pass the needle to this 1, 2, 3, 4 seed beads, like this. And to this seed beads, 4 seed beads. Oh my god. Yes. And I will go to this seed beads, 4 seed beads. Let's give it some pull. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I mean. And then I will pick again 1 seed beads, 1 roundel, and 1 seed beads. So we are exiting from here, and I will pass the needle to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 of our seed beads. Okay. It will be like this. So I will pass the needle to these 4 seed beads, and we will going to make the next unit. So I will pick 2 11-0, 1 roundel, and 2 11-0. So we're exiting here, and I will pass the needle here, like this. So I will hold it like this, and I will pass the needle to these 2 seed beads and roundel. And I will pick 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 11-0, pick 2, I pass the needle to these 2 seed beads, pick 1 11-0, will be popping, and pick 3 11-0, and pass the needle to these 3 seed beads, Hey, what's wrong? Oh, like this. Now pass a needle here. These 2 seed beads. Like this. And I'll pick 3 seed beads. I'll pick 3 11-0. And pass the needle here. Like this. So I will pick again 2 11-0, 1 roundel, and 2 11-0. And I will pass the needle here. So I will pass the needle here to these 2 seed beads. I will pick 1 11-0, pass to these 2 seed beads. I'll pick 3 seed beads and pass the needle here to these 3 seed beads. Like this. And pass the needle here. Pick 3 11-0. Pass the needle here to these 3 seed beads. And pull the thread. It will be like this. So the next is I will pass the needle to these 4 seed beads. And pick 1 11-0, 1 roundel, and 1 11-0. So we will insert the needle to the 1, 2, 3, 4th of our seed beads here. It will be like this. So I will go up here. So I will pass the needle to this 4 seed beads. And go up here to these 4 seed beads. And I will pick 1 11-0, 1 roundel beads, and 1 11-0. So I'll pass the needle here. Like this. So our bracelet for today is this design. So I will pass the needle here to these 4 seed beads, and I will make the next unit of our bracelet design. So I will make the other unit and I'll be back. This is our bracelet, and I made it for 16.5 centimeters. So we will attach our clasp. So this is our clasp and jump ring. So I will attach our jump ring. And jump ring with clasp. Oh, sorry. So this is our bracelet for today. I hope you like it, and I hope I can give you some design ideas for your bracelet making. So thank you for watching. Bye.